the universe cards. Number 7. Star cluster. Keyword friends. Interpretation. Like the solar system card, the star cluster card describes the complex interactions and hierarchies of a group. But whereas we cannot choose our families, we can certainly decide who we choose to call our friends. Often the link of friendship comes from early in our lives. We may have known many of our friends since school days. We also tend to develop friendships in areas of mutual interests or passion. If we are very interested in art, for example, we are more likely to form friendships with those who share our interest. Usually our group of friends is a mixture of ties and loyalties from our early lives, our working lives and personal interests. Some of us may have a wide-ranging and eclectic group of friends, whilst others may have just a few very close friends. Whatever the makeup of the group, our friends hold a unique place in our lives. Without the intensity of a relationship, of the sense of obligation and collective history connected with our families, our friendships are often the place in life where we are most free to be ourselves. If you draw the star cluster card, you are being encouraged to examine the nature and value of your friendships. This may pertain to a particular friendship, or it may affect your attitude to all of your friends. Do you truly trust and value them? Can you turn to them in times of need, or are they mostly of the fair weather variety? The star cluster card indicates that it is time to re-evaluate your friendships and your own attitude to your friends. If you have taken your friends for granted, now may be the time to more openly express your appreciation for their support. If you feel your friends are only there for the good times, then it may be time to examine your own behavior as well as theirs, for our friends are a mirror for our own attitudes, beliefs and values. How we choose our friends can tell us a lot about ourselves. If we surround ourselves with superficial people, or people who do not truly value who we are, then that may indicate that we too do not want to look deeply at things, or that we have a low sense of self-worth. Because of the element of choice in forming a friendship, our friends can be a far truer mirror of where we are in life than our families. In evaluating our friendships, we are in sense evaluating and reflecting upon our own identity.